I'm really excited to announce the Kindred Spirits event on May 17th from 6 to 9 p.m. at the Fillmore Chapel. It's a vibrant night of connection, creativity, and community with live music, interactive games, a glowing labyrinth walk, and soul-filled conversations. It's your chance to make a friend, be a friend, and bring a friend. This event is going to be hosted by me and Betsy and Adam. Betsy, do you want to come up and just say a few words to get us excited?
Thank you so much, Courtney. Oh, wow, okay. Well, thank you. All right. Really, if you're like, why are all those people clapping for her? It's because I know people. And the great thing about this event is you can know people. We're going to have speed friending, which is so fun. And again, look around at all these people you go to church with. Maybe you could know them better. Maybe you could be known better, and maybe we could all be better friends. So make a friend, bring a friend. We've got speed friending. We have an offers and needs market. So if you have something that you really offer or something you're really needing, we're trying to connect all of that. We're even going to have a silent auction and a glowing labyrinth walk, music, mocktails. What else could you want? Oh, you could want to bring people who might also need friends. Yeah, bring them all. So we'll see you Saturday, May 17th.